I know you lying.
Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. It's all good, it's all good.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Frankie. Today's video is a tutorial, kinda, I say that all the time. On this makeup look, I just wanted to use yellow eyeshadow. I have the Natasha Denona Sunset Palette, and there's this really pretty yellow and a pretty like orange shade in there, and I really wanted to use it. Before we jump into the video, make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you hit that notification bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. And let's get started. So starting with my eyebrows, I'm taking this Morphe eyebrow pencil in the shade Java. Everything will be listed in the description bar just in case I miss anything. Creating the shape that I want for my eyebrows because this look is a little bit more dramatic, so I wanted more dramatic brows. I'm cleaning up my eyebrows with this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Sand Deep Sand. Now taking that same concealer, I'm putting it all over my eyelids to use as a base for my eyeshadows. The first shade I'm taking from the Natasha Denona palette is the shade Morgan. It's a really light matte peachy shade, but it's the perfect transition shade to use for these orange, yellow, red shades that I'm going to be using. So I'm just putting that in my crease and building the color up. Now I'm taking the shade Jasper from the palette and putting that in the outer V of my eye and also in the same places that I put Morgan, just to blend those shades together. Right here, I'm using the shade Life Support from my Madison Beer and Morphe palette, and I'm just putting that on the outer V. It's like a deep brown with some red undertones. I'm cutting my crease with this same Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that I've been using in the shade Tan Deep Sand. I'm only going to do a half cut crease, so I'm going to stop in the middle of my lid and then just blend the concealer out. Okay, here's where stuff is going to get hectic. So first I take the shade Citrine and I put that on top of that concealer in the frontmost part of my eye. Then I take this orange shade, which is called Carnelian, and I put that in the center of my eye. And then I blend Jasper, which is the red shade, into the outer V just so I can have an ombre of those three shades. You'll see it better on the other eye. This eye was just a little hectic. Now I'm just doing some liner with this liquid liner from Morphe. I'm using this mascara from L'Oreal. It's the L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara. And I am going to put on these lashes that I got from Amazon. I'll put them down in the description bar. I'm priming my face with this Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. And then I'm going to color correct with my regular color correctors, the LA Girl Pro Conceal color correctors. I usually use orange and peach mixed together, but today I just used orange, which was a mistake, but whatever. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-hour foundation in the shade Copper. I'm highlighting with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Tan Deep Sand, and I'm blending it out with this Magic Velvet Sponge from Juno & Co. I'm going to set this with my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder in Translucent Honey. And then I'm going to contour my face with this Makeup by Mario Contour Sculpting Stick. I use the darkest shade. I'm lining my waterline with this black pencil from NYX, and then I'm going to blend that red shade Jasper onto my lower lash line just to tie the eyes all together.
What's up, y'all? I didn't expect to be here, but, gotta talk to y'all for a minute. Just feel real stupid,
I'm using my Fenty Beauty Powder Foundation in the shade 410 to dust off this excess powder that's sitting on my face. And then I'm going to use my setting spray from Morphe. I bronzed my face with my Kylie Cosmetics bronzer in the shade Tawny Mommy. I wanted to do a matte brown lip, but I think I just forgot. So I ended up lining my lip with this brown lip liner and then taking this MAC lip gloss in the shade Spike, I believe. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. My camera about to die